Would you believe me if I told you that there is a simple method to make $320? I mean that 95% of the work is done for you just by clicking on a few buttons. And then you can start earning up to $300 every single day. The website that I'll be sharing with you is absolutely free with no investment necessary. This method is also available worldwide, so whatever country you're in, this opportunity may be for you. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Just a heads up guys, a gold coin will be appearing in the video for a couple of times. Count how many times it will appear and share to us your answers in the comment section down below. In this video, the website that will help you earn money on complete autopilot is called Kickbooster. You can find the website over at kickbooster.me. On the website's homepage, it says Software Solutions for Crowdfunding Creators. If you're wondering how this website works, basically, Kickbooster is a division of Bold Commerce that is dedicated to creating the most powerful and effective solutions to help project creators bring their ideas to life. It's a market full of different projects that creators can promote on with the help of affiliates. Now that's exactly what we're going to do today. Now pay attention to this part as the sign-up process may be a bit tricky. Once you're on the website's homepage, hover your mouse over the users button. It will show you different user options to choose from. I want you to click the affiliates button. The link will actually take you to a different page where you can read more information about the method that we will be doing. So when you're going to become a Kickbooster affiliate marketer, you simply create unique affiliate links to your favorite projects and get paid for every successful pledge that comes through your link. To become an affiliate marketer on Kickbooster, you need to follow 4 easy steps. Don't worry, it does not require you any special skills or experience. Anyone can literally just do the steps. For the first step, it's important to sign up for an account. It only takes about 2 minutes of your time to do so. On the other hand, the second step basically tells you to browse through different project categories that you can share and make money on. As for the third step, spread the word by generating your own affiliate link and sharing it through social media. For the fourth and final steps, and I know this is everyone's favorite steps, you'll get paid by earning commission in every pledge that comes from your affiliate link. It's very simple, right? Now let's proceed to the sign up process. Start off, just click on the purple button because that link will take you to the sign up page. This is what the sign up page should look like. Here you can just put your name in as well as your email address. Below that, make sure that you have your PayPal account ready. And that is because this website uses PayPal as your payment method. For the referral code, just leave blank. Don't forget to type in your password and to confirm it. Then agree to their terms of use and privacy policy by clicking this box right here. Once that is all done, just submit your information. Say you're finished signing up, your screen should now look like this. And the next thing that I want you to do is click on the marketplace. Once you're on the marketplace page, you can see different projects and campaigns that you can promote and share to everyone to earn a lot of commissions. Pay attention here as I'll be sharing with you guys the categories that will help you make a lot of money on Kickbooster. The first step that I want to share with you guys is by heading over to the category section, which can be found on the left hand side. Here you will see different categories like beauty and personal care, design, education, everyday carry, fashion, and so many more. Note that it is important to focus on one category first. When you're just getting started, you can choose among these 3 categories: design, health, and technology. Just choose any of these 3 as it will aid you in earning a lot of money. Once you're done clicking those buttons, they will automatically filter the marketplace for you. The second tip that I can give you guys is by sorting the marketplace according to its commission, high to low. You can do this by clicking the sort by button. Now, the most profitable campaign is right on your screen. Now, these campaigns will help you create a lot of commissions, resulting in you earning more money. Isn't it awesome? As an example, I will be promoting this campaign. In this case, we will be promoting a new technological gadget. On the right side, you can see how many people and how much money have already generated by promoting this campaign. So if you scroll down to this products page, you can see more information about how it works. You can also see its selling price. Now, if someone buys this product from your affiliate link, you will get 10% commission directly from the product's selling price. It's as simple as that. All you have to do is just share your unique affiliate link, sit back, relax, and share it to everyone around the world. If you've already decided that this is the campaign you're going to promote, go back over to the marketplace and click the Boost This Campaign button. Once you go back to your dashboard, you'll be able to see your referral link that you need to share in order to get tons of commissions. Now that we're done with grabbing our affiliate link, the next step that we have to do is actually sharing the link on the internet. I'll show you a trick on Quora that can get you a lot of commission. So head over to the Quora website and sign up instantly with your Google or Facebook account. Now, this platform is actually very reliable for affiliate marketing. You can just simply reply to different people's posts to promote your link, or even better, create your own post. This is guaranteed to get you more commissions than simply replying to other people's posts. Just remember to explore the categories that are talking about technology, wireless connections, lost and found, etc. To make your Quora post a lot more interesting, you can see the button in your Kick Booster dashboard that says Download Media Kit. Now, this media kit is very helpful if you want people to see the actual product, so they'd be enticed to buy from your affiliate link. Remember, the more you get to see the product, it will be more likely that you'll buy it. Another easier option would be to use the Facebook platform. I know you have a Facebook account, so this will be so much easier for a lot of you guys. What I want you to do is research on technology lovers on Facebook and find groups that you can share your affiliate link in. Remember, the more people in the group there are, the more people will get to see and click on your affiliate link. If you want to earn more, you can use both Quora and Facebook to share your affiliate links, and I guarantee you that you will get more commissions by doing this. Happy clicking! Now, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did get some value out of it. Please comment down below if this video can help you a lot financially. Then be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel with notifications on so you'll not miss out any of the new future contents. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos.